How to sign out of App Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign out of App Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to sign out of App Store, all you have to do is open up your App Store, and you can currently see that I'm logged into my Apple ID on my iPhone. And to sign out, all I have to do is tap on my Apple ID profile from the top right hand side of the screen. Then I need to keep on scrolling. No matter how many apps are here, do not worry, just keep scrolling all the way to the very bottom of the screen until you look at the bottom left and you enable the sign out option. So now when you tap on sign out from here, you'll be instantly signed out of your Apple ID on your App Store. So this way you'll be able to sign out of Apple ID on App Store. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.